do it off the cuff here. It's been a while since I've done it, so I'm just pulling this stuff out of my head right now. We're going to unravel the yarn here. We're just going to pull it out like that. And I'm not sure how long of a chain I'm going to make. Now, everybody does their stitches however they want to do them. And, okay, so I'm going to, got a slip knot here that we put on the crochet hook. And I am going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, so I'm going to have a base of 12 here. I have no rhyme or reason with what I'm doing here. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Okay, so we've got 12 here. I crocheted those a little bit loose. My chain is a little tight. That's why I have a little bit of a curve here. And so I'm just going to pull, let's see. Let's see how I can do this. How am I going to do this? One, do I have to do, I might have to do 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so I'm attempting to make the star stitch. It's been a while since I've made it. Now I do a chain here, and so I go through here, 1, and then I go through the side here. I like to go through 2 loops, 2, leave all of them on the hook, down here at the base, 3, 4, 5. Okay, yarn over, pull through all 5 loops, slip stitch to secure, and so we've got our star stitch here. You guys see that? That's our star stitch. That's half of it, because we do 2 passes. There's an additional pass. Well, actually, there has been people, you can do it both ways. You can do a row of half double crochet, or you can just turn and just do the star stitch. And so you go through the center loop, and you go through the side, go through down here at the base of where you're joined. We got 4 loops on our hook technically. 4, 5. So I think that's going to give us 6 loops. Yeah, 6 altogether. I think I said 5, but we got 6. Close it, slip stitch, and then we're working through the top here. We're working through the side. Working through the side here. Hang on, like that. And at the base, and then 1, 2. We got 6 loops on our hook. Pull through all 6. Pull it tight. See what we got here? That looks pretty good. It's been a while. I'm a little bit rusty since I've done this stitch, but it still looks pretty darn good. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And so I've got 1 to spare on the edge there. I don't know why. I didn't stop to figure out a number. I just went with the even number. Now you're not pulling through here. You're not cooperating very well. And, okay, so that one's a little tight. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go on ahead, and I'm going to squeeze one last one in here. And I'm going to make it work, too. We're going to make it work. 4, and I'm going to take it down here in this first row like that. We're going to make it work. Do I have 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yuppers, we've got 6. And we're going to close it up. And I made that sucker work. Do you see that? So we got that working. And okay, so this one then, I think what I've done, now I don't remember how to do this row exactly. I think I do half double crochet. Yeah, I do half double crochet. 1, 2, I'll be doing 12. Sometimes I've done them inside of the same stitch. Let me see. I have to think this through now because it's been a while since I've done the half double crochet. Okay, so I just need 12. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 star stitches. Okay, I've got eyes here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I know exactly how I'm going to do this. Okay, we're going to do 1, 2 half double crochet in the center of each eye right here. 1, 2, we got 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. But now I've got one left over. Now I've got a problem because I'd have to do another one here on the edge for 13. Maybe I had a plus amount that I didn't realize I have. I probably do have a plus amount, and we're just going to go on ahead and add it here because it's not hurting us by any means. I do have a little bit of a blob right here on the edge, but the premise of the stitch is still there and it's working. Do you see that? Do you see the star stitch right there? We got a star in our stitch. Oh my gosh, I was a little